That's an image we will edit in Photoshop. So we will apply the exposure there. It's an offset and gamma correction there. We will add it filters. So there is a camera raw filter here. Tint as well, add some exposures. Shadow there, make it black. So let's make the selection around it. It's the filter gallery. So there is a camera raw filter there.